Bonjour, hello, welcome to another video, Max Mountain World. Day 2 of my travels on my road trip. I'm still in Les-Orres, and yesterday I made a small investment, as I iterated in yesterday's video at the very end. So here it is. This is going to open up what I do when I'm visiting villages and towns and things. Apart from that, when I get it back home, it's going to be fantastic. So have a look at this, it's pretty neat. So what I've got is a folding electric assist bike. Now I'll put all the specs of this in the comments below, in the description below. But we've been working on it this morning, double checking it, making the adjustments and playing around with it obviously. But it's working way better than I thought it would, and this was an absolute bargain too, so I'm going to go and have a shot of it. Okay, so switch it on. I've got everything adjusted as I want, to the height and to the bars and things. Dead easy, it's all quick release. And we're off. Takes one pedal round and then it power assists. Okay. Oh, yeah. Here we go. And that's uphill. So it's quite a steep hill this. I know the camera doesn't really show how steep things are, but it is very steep. The brakes are lovely. Let's see, one turn and then it power assists. There we go. And the acceleration downhill. And this is so easy. So that's it, it's easy, it's single speed, single power assist, and it's going to be great in the flat. We've had it around here playing around and stuff, and on the flat it's an absolute doddle. On the climb, as I say, it's quite steep here, and no problem at all, as you saw. So pretty chuffed for the price I paid for it, and that's it. So I've got it switched off just now. You can still pedal it, so if it runs out on you, yeah, but it's quite heavy to do so. It's not impossible, but switch it on again. One pedal round and power. Handles well too. The only problem I've found with this is the pedals are a bit low. If you're pedaling, the two tend to hit a bit. You'll hear that. There's the noise. But this is so effortless. The downhill acceleration, pretty awesome. One turn. And if you brake, it cuts out. If you go over 25 kph, it cuts out. And so that's the only thing's a pedal thing, but that's not going to be a problem. It's something I'll get used to. Okay, thanks again for watching. The foldability of it, we've had to lube up all the joints and stuff because it's been sitting in the shop for a while. So dead easy. Flick that out, goes to one side, lift that up because it latches into it, and just nudge it open. You can see where that engages into the hole there, and then make sure the pedals are in the right position. Stand up. Pedals are in the right position. I'm still getting used to this, but there we go. And then that's it.